I saw somebody reading a magazine.
Roy's work is significant because it was the first.
And the name Roy Blakey caught my eye, and they referred to Roy as one of the grandfathers of gay photography. And I was like, that's my uncle.
When I did my first book, people began to know my name.
It was taboo, which made it fun.
I was ignorant of any laws about nudity. I photographed so many wonderful people.
I love to see his work resurrected.
There are two sides of Roy Blakey.
But I knew my uncle was a performer traveling the world.
I performed in shows in about 40 different countries. 2 shows a night, 7 days a week. I began saving everything from all the ice skating shows and all the films.
This man has the greatest collection of skating artifacts in the world.
44,000 pieces.
This is the only one of that doll. My hope is to find a home for all of this.
Uncle, are you okay?
911.
I think my uncle just had a stroke.
I don't want it all to disappear.
I've been filming you for 3 decades.
They are two of a kind.
I'm gonna put together something that helps us all remember.
Oh, might as well.
You're the famous Roy Blakey.
Yes, the legendary.